Hi guys, it's VB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and the Kathleen Lights x ColourPop the Zodiac palette. Please subscribe to my channel and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. With the shade Raw Sienna from the Anastasia palette, I go in and I start tapping in the color onto my crease. With a blending brush, I start to blend the color upwards and outwards. Then I go back into the palette, take the color Red Ochre and start tapping it in. And little by little, just start blending that color out. Then I take my Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C6 and we're going to start cutting the crease, but we're not going to go all the way out this time. We're just going to go right about halfway. Then I take the BH Cosmetics Eyelights in the color Gal Pal and start applying it right on the lid, right above the concealer, and we're just going to blend it out with our finger. And this is going to work as a base for our next color, which is going to be from the Zodiac palette, the color The Leo. And fun fact, I'm a Leo, so shout out to all the Leos out there. What I did next was just started to apply it right on the lid. And from the Anastasia palette, take Cyprus Umber and apply it right on the corner of the lid. Then you're going to want to take another brush and blend both colors in. And I just went back in with some more Cyprus Umber and the Leo and started to build up the colors a little bit more. And go back in with the blending brush and just blend all the colors. From the Anastasia palette, I take Tempera and I add that right onto the brow bone. Then I take the Bon Cosmetics Schwing liner and just make a very thin line on the lash line. And go in with your mascara Bad Gal Bang by Benefit Cosmetics. Then go in with Primavera right on the brow bone since Tempera wasn't really giving a highlight. So I put it on the brow bone, blended it in, and added it to my inner corner. After that, I took my Luxe by iitsVB lashes in the Style Réal-Amour with the Strip Lash Adhesive by Kiss. And on the bottom, you go in with the same colors, Raw Sienna, then you go in with Red Ochre, and you're going to want to put the color Matte Mulberry from Pixie right onto your waterline. On top of that, you're going to go in with Cyprus Umber. I set my brows using the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit Cosmetics. Took the same mascara Bad Gal Bang by Benefit and added to the lower lash line. Then with the blending brush, just make sure all the colors are well blended. And here we have the final look. Have cut crease with gold, long lashes, very flirty, very cute. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, leave me a thumbs up, a comment, and don't forget, feel nothing less than what you are.